How to enable time-based one-time password or TOTP sa SSS employer account. So there are 5 steps on how to enable time-based one-time password or TOTP. 1. Account verification. 2. QR code and secret key. 3. Authenticator app. 4. Authenticated. Okay, log into your employer account. So, ito na yung magiging itsura niya guys pag na-enable mo na yung time-based one-time password. So, dalawa lang yung pagpipilian. Either sa Authenticator app or doon ka kukuha sa mobile number ng PIN. So, ito naman magiging itsura niya guys pag hindi pa na-enable yung time-based one-time password. So, ang gagawin mo lang, ipindutin mo lang yung get PIN. So, meron ka marireceive na text message ng OTP number at yun nag-i-enter mo dito. At kailangan within 5 minutes, ma-enter mo na yung OTP. Pag hindi, na-expired siya. So, pag in case hindi mo na ma-retrieve yung number na yan, pwede kayong pumunta sa SSS branch para ayusin yung registered mobile number. Sabi dito, to help keep your logins and transactions secure, we have enabled time-based one-time password or TOTP as an option. If you would like to enable this security feature, please click the Enable TOTP button. Step 1. Account verification. Provide password. To generate a TOTP, please enter your password and click Next button. You have a limit of 5 attempts. The account will be locked after 5 unsuccessful tries. So, ilalagay nyo po yung password. After nyo po malagay, click nyo po Next button. At ang paalala po ng SSS ay may 5 ka lang na attempts na paglagay ng password. After nun, kung hindi pa rin tama ang paglagay, malalock siya. Make sure po na tama yung password na nilagay nyo. Step 2. QR code and secret key. Generated QR code and secret key. So, meron siyang instruction. Sa baba, may makikita ka na generated code and secret key. So, please capture the photo of the screen to secure retain a copy para meron kang copy. Pangalawa, download and install the Authenticator app. For desktop or laptop users, download mo yung Authenticator. For mobile device user, i-download mo yung Google Authenticator. Sa App Store naman for iOS devices. For Google Play Store, for Android devices, Google Authenticator. Kasi ito guys, wala to siyang bayad. So number 3, set up the time-based one-time password in the Authenticator app either by scanning the QR code or manually entering the secret key. So after ko ma-download yung Google Authenticator, in-scan ko yung generated QR code. So, ito yung Google Authenticator, guys. Download nyo lang to sa Play Store, mobile devices nyo po. After nyo ma-download, may lalabas na scanner. I-scan nyo po doon sa generated QR code. Tapos, sundan nyo lang po. Step 3. Authenticator app. Provide one-time PIN or OTP. Enter the 6 digits one-time PIN generated by Google Authenticator app yung dinownload mo. So, you have a limit of 5 attempts. The account will be locked after 5 unsuccessful tries. So, after mo ma-enter yung one-time PIN, click mo yung next button. Step 4. Authenticated. Successful TOTP setup. So you have successfully enabled the TOTP feature of your my.sss account. Should you need to reset it, kindly email usaptayo@sss.com.ph. So ayun guys, ganun lang kadali mag-enable ng time-based one-time password sa my.sss employer account. Thank you for watching. Kung meron kayong mga tanong, just comment down below. Thank you!